Have you ever looked at the people in your niche who look like they're absolutely smashing it from social media? And you look at their posts and their stories and you wonder, what exactly is it that they are doing differently to you to get them that increased result? Well, let me tell you, the thing that they're doing is that they are great at social selling, but you could be too. Social selling is a skill. It's a skill just like any other skill in business that we need to learn. And you already know how important it is to sell on social media because you've already downloaded my guide on how to warm up your Instagram audience. Well, I've made the transition from corporate sales to small business, and now I'm an online entrepreneur helping coaches globally to really up level their results and to sell more, but in a way that feels easy, not sleazy. I don't go in for all those salesy tactics. I teach my clients how to sell with a human touch, how to create true connection, nurture relationships, and build enough trust for a sale to take place without the need to really even sell it. Because a sale doesn't feel like a sale if you haven't even asked for any investment. It feels amazing. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. Would you like to learn? I hope so, because you've already come this far. You've got my Instagram audience warm-up guide, and now I'm going to take you to the next level. I'm going to invite you to enroll in my Social Selling Academy. Now, the Academy includes all sorts of amazing resources. You get lifetime access, and it is being constantly updated with new content all the time. Inside, you're going to find cheat sheets on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You're going to find my 5C model, which will help you to really ascertain where you're at right now with your social selling, which element of what you're doing needs to improve, and which element of what you're doing might be absolutely fine the way that it is. The other thing that you'll find in the Social Selling Academy is my amazingly popular social selling content wheel, the 6 different segments of content ideas that will mean that once you've done one round of planning with the social selling wheel, you'll have 30 plus pieces of content. You'll also be able to go back to that content wheel every time you need to generate ideas. I use it myself in my business and I never run out of ideas. The list is always long. So you'll get access to that content wheel. You'll also get a whole load of other resources to help you. Scroll stopping hook ideas, hashtag guide, you'll get a content planner, you'll get some tips on how to grow engagement. Honestly, it's jam-packed with information. Social Selling Academy would normally sell for $197, but today I'm inviting you to enroll in the Academy for just $27. $27 for you to become a social selling superstar. Money well spent, I think. So what are you waiting for? Go and click on the link below this video. Just head over to the sales page, click on the button to buy, and be sure to input the coupon code superstar. That's the coupon code. Capital letters, just type in superstar for you to see the price come down from $197 to just $27. So once you get inside, you'll then get access to me and my team through the questions in the homework area. And if you do struggle with any of the material, or you want to just ask a question about maybe how to implement some of it, then we are always there to help you. So I cannot wait to see you inside Social Selling Academy. What are you waiting for? Sign up now and I'll see you inside.